Welcome. In this video, we shall talk about links in HTML created using the anchor tag a. Links are what connect one web page to another. Without them, the web would not really be a web. The a tag is used to create a hyperlink. It tells the browser where to take you when clicked. The most important attribute here is href, which stands for hypertext reference. Basically, the destination URL. Here's a simple example. A is the anchor tag, href is the attribute that contains a link where to go when user click. Widget example is the clickable text that user sees. So remember, A creates the link, href tells where it goes. With just one tag, you can connect pages, websites, or even sections within the same page.